guys, what's going on? So today we are not at a pond, we are at a river, and we're under a red flag warning. So it's like, man, that pond's gonna be too windy, but we're gonna try to get here on the river. I got the paddleboard on top of the Jeep because I don't have a kayak. I haven't bought one yet, and the canoe was too long and I didn't feel like pulling the trailer, so we're gonna go for it. It was 30 degrees this morning and it's currently 70. Missouri weather, gotta love it. So get the paddleboard unhooked up, get on the water, and see if we can catch something. Y'all stay tuned. We'll find out. All right, also side note, I thought someone else owned the property over here. Just the gentleman that owns it just came up to me and was like, hey, here's my name and I now own this, and it's called Jeep Beach. And of course I drive a Jeep. So he goes, you wanna come over here and look at it? He invited me. I told him that maybe after a little bit of fishing, I'll head over there and talk with him and see what he's offered to show me around. So I am interested in that. But for starters, I'm gonna get some fishing done. Wide stance. Figuring it out, guys. I'm figuring it out. So I might just be using the paddleboard to get from point A to point B and not do a lot of fishing off of it. Let's see if I can't. Oh yeah. Change up how this is working real fast and then get into fishing. All right, guys, we're kind of beached up. We started over there. I just want to come over here and try this. I have a feeling I'm going to lose a lot more weight before I can use this paddleboard. A lot. Oh, come on. Bad hook set, Gage, bad hook set, come on. There we go. There we go. Woo! Nice little bass, guys. Ooh, you're fat and healthy. Just pooped on me. Good belly on you. All right, give her a kiss. Mwah. You guys give her a kiss. Mwah. And off she goes. It's a small little good bass. Fix my worm. Said first cast, crappy hook set, and she still came back for it. Oh, come on. Yeah, I just got stuck on a tree. Nope, we're going for it. Also, I can lose everything on this paddleboard except for that orange bag. Come on, balance, buddy. I about lost it there, guys. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is put you there and on the board and make my way elsewhere. Besides the fact I think I either need a bigger paddleboard or lose a little bit of weight, or both, what do you guys think I should do to make this paddleboard a great fishing thing? Because I've had the paddleboard for years. I don't have a kayak. I just don't own one right now. I need to buy one. But that is beside the point. So like, what should I do? What should I do to the board, guys? Plain Jane paddleboard. Not set up for anything. Do a chatterbait with the Reactions Innovations crawl on it now. It's that dual color black and blue and then green flake. Man, I wish my paddleboard was a lot more stable. Alright, we're going to do some moving as well. I might move on down the river, or probably go up the river, honestly. Make it a little easier for me coming back. Okay, let me zip up my bag first. Also, because I'm still rocking the Pond Prowler. Figured for me out here doing this the first time, what better way than to use a fanny pack style or a single strap. And I know the water's cold. Probably gonna end up kneeing it still. I think I'm more stable this way. I can honestly also probably fish this way. We're also fishing late into the day. It's I started at, I got out here about 1. It's been out here for an hour. I've been fishing for an hour, been out here about an hour. Oh, come on. Come back and take that again. Feel like light thumps. A little bit of change up wind through this little shad swim bait on spinning rod. Give her a gander a couple times. Might move on up the river. This right here is shallow, actually. I'm on my knees and I can still see the bottom, so it's pretty shallow right through here. Oh, come on. Alright, a little faster moving. Water, a little deeper too on that side over there. So, let's see how it goes. White rooster tail. That's what we're gonna work with for a minute. Oh, come on. Oh, he came off. Okay. Fix that drag. Else my trout drag still. Dang. Bad hook set. That's why we're in the red flag warning. Massive wind gust. Like about a mile from my house, a whole freaking field was burning. 2 days ago? Yeah. think like Friday night or Saturday, Friday night is what it was. And it is also, by the way, guys, today was a Happy St. Patrick's Day. Hope you all celebrate because, well, I don't drink, but I am wearing green. And my fishing rod's green. So, that is a good time. Alright, I'm gonna leave the paddleboard there and take a walk with my white rooster tail. It's already had a fish bite on it. So, good sight, good sight. Good. Someone's been driving down here. I wonder if it's the Jeep Beach people. That's juicy right there. Fallen tree. Between two fallen trees in a deep pocket. Come on, what more could you want? It's really cool up here though. Never been up here. I've lived here around this area most of my life. Never been up here. It's a crappy cast. But if it catches a fish, it don't matter. So come on, baby. So far, worm. Brought one all the way in. Rooster tail has hooked one. I'm just crappy fisherman, didn't land it. So it wasn't a big fish at all. A little dink, but every day I fish is a dink day. It's almost too much structure here. That fix you? Don't think so. What are you doing? There you are. Oh, fuck. He came right there at the surface to grab that. I literally ripped that right out of his mouth. The thing I gotta be a little cautious about right now is you guys. Because the GoPro here, I have a GoPro 7. And they don't have like external batteries you can replace, so I have to attach it to a power pack to charge you. Which sucks when it comes to being on the water. Because if you fall in with that exposed, the GoPro's dead. But typically I don't have this thing charged enough to work fully for you guys. So we'll see. We're gonna get back to the paddleboard and move on up. That was awesome. Well, I was gonna grab this out, but it looks like it's now part of structure. So we're gonna leave it a structure. Realized I am fine in the water. It's not that cold because you do dry out. It's still 70 degrees and windy outside, so you do dry out pretty quick. As long as my balls don't get wet, I will be fine. As I get past this, man, going down this is gonna be fun. I'm not gonna be ready for that. Well, guys, I did it. I fell in. Kinda. I started to fall, realized the water's still really cold. I didn't want my shirt to get wet, so I kind of bailed. And after bailing, lost a paddle. I just hand paddled all the way up here to get it. Whew. Whew. Yeah, they've just done this. I don't know why they did this, but they just did this. Let me, legs are wet. I mean, they probably for camping, but I don't know. Blocking off that river is an interesting choice. There we go. Come on, baby. Woo, big flip. You stop it. Well, you got all 3 prongs in there. Can you just give one of these up, please? You got one out. Give me the second one out real fast. There we go. Time for the third. Come on. Last one, buddy. Let it go. There we go. Dude, let it go. Come on. There we go. There we are. Alright. Bass number 2 that I caught today. Both kind of small, but I'll give him a kiss. You give him a kiss. And he will be on his way. Real fast, guys. So you died or got close to dying after that fish, so you are now land bound. So I probably will not be getting on that paddleboard until I get some more charge, because I don't want to ruin the GoPro. If I ever start making money off doing it off YouTube, I might, just might, try to buy a new GoPro. But if I don't start making money off YouTube, then this is still just a passion project. And I'm probably never going to make money off YouTube. So if that's the case, then I'm not going to spend a whole lot of extra money that I don't have on something. So I'm just now rambling. I'm going to get this rooster tail out of the tree real fast, and then we'll see what happens. You're a better bass. There we go. Nope, nope, come here. Sorry, you guys were indeed off, and I was working on trying to get you turned back on. So when he bit into that, I was trying to use my voice one. The voice was not working. So, boom! He's a lot better of a bass so far in the day. You know, he's got a nice big belly, or she, I don't know. But, all right, you give it a kiss. Mwah. You give it a kiss. Mwah. And we'll let it go right here in this muddy water. And I might leave you on for a second, because I'm going to cast right back where I was at. No, that's a stick. There's another good bass. That was a freaking hit. Homie, you cursed right in the tongue, buddy. All right, so he's bleeding pretty good. Quick kiss, mwah, kiss, mwah. Get him back in the water. He took off. We're good. He freaking ate that thing. Probably the hardest bass hit I've had all year. When he just freaking whacked that thing. I kind of felt bad too. But we're all good. It's the last spot I'm gonna fish. And before I head back. So I need to remember, lined up with the tree stand. And all this. I don't know where the freak that cast was going, but I overheld it, so. I do not know, but now I'm curious. I'm gonna have to get my boat up here. That is an old basketball hoop base. That's exactly what that is. Old basketball hoop base. Oh yeah.
So there's, and then if you get out and look at that over there, I'm gonna get a picture real quick. But yeah.
I mean, so if you wanted, you had a little bit. Said I don't know how soon you had to get out of here. I said I can pull my Jeep in here, throw the tent up, you can take some pictures of it.
However you want to do it, yeah, that would be amazing.
I mean, ducks.
Oh yeah. Oh, there's so many wood ducks and mallards in here.
Dude, that's.
I've been. I just bought a bunch of decoys and I bought 2 Frankies. I'm getting ready to start duck hunting and a bunch of.
Before we leave, I'm gonna get you my number.
Okay.
Because yeah, my brother and I. No, right there.
Oh yeah.
My brother and I, we do a lot of waterfowl hunting.
Get all that cleaned up. Yeah, we're trying to make it look like something out here for people.
It looks good. I mean, it's not bad as it is.
And we can take the Jeeps. I've been taking the skid loader down there and then coming back up that little gravel point and then across. This was perfect at one point. I got pictures of it. It was beautiful. The water was flowing. We weren't holding nothing up, but then it flooded and filled the culverts. And then now they're just.
Yeah, you're gonna have to probably get some big boys in there and.
Yep. So I'll get the excavator in there. We'll turn around. I'll show you it.
Yeah. I'll do good on this for like 5 minutes. I start getting a little wobbly. You get to another 5 minutes, start getting a little wobbly again. I like this. Ooh. Nope. Yeah. Saw that one coming. And that got a little sketch, by the way. Also, if you haven't noticed, I am helping him. He is doing some photos and videos for his business. So, he asked if I would kind of just fish and move, and it's kind of the plan. And then I'm gonna go set up the tent on the Jeep. He's not wrong. This right here is a freaking deep hole. Alright guys, so this is going to be the entrance for Jeep Beach. That's what he said the name was. So he's over there. We're gonna figure out where he wants to set the tent up at so he can see it, and we're gonna go from there, guys. There's like 2 entrances, and hopefully you guys caught what he was saying earlier. So this hopefully is gonna be some transit park that at least talk about. So now time to set the Jeep up, the tent up, and so I don't look stupid. Guys, so that is going to be the end of the video. Actually went fishing, actually caught some fish, so that's better than it has been. I honestly kind of lost track of the fish I caught, but I think at least 3 or like 4 hookups. But I also then got to go be a part of a new thing that's going to be opening, which is the Jeep Beach. So the dude, his name's Rick. Rick has a lot of plans, and I am excited to see that thing when it is done. So, until the next video, guys, see ya!